guys, welcome back, and if you're new, welcome. Today I'll be showing you how I'm going to be revamping this wig Tegan by Bobbi Boss. I did wear this hair for about a few weeks, and I had it locked up, and it's knotted up, matted, whatever you want to call it. It's a hot mess. So I decided to go ahead and take the steamer, give it a try, and go over it, and this became the best way to get the hair straight. This is how the knots looked after makeup, and I went ahead and I cleaned it with the scrubber. And this is by far the best method to clean lace, even on human hair. I find that it gets it off really well. Afterwards, I went and got some alcohol and I cleaned up the areas that may have had some residue on there, so you might want to do that as well. You will eventually see how I got the hair straight, and all you have to do is take the steamer and go really close up on the hair as if you were to be steaming a shirt. And I will be showing you that in a second, but you will see how I got so close on the hair and how automatically the hair started to get straight. I'm gonna go ahead and let you guys keep watching, but I did rotate between the brushing and the steaming, and I got it pretty straight. So just keep watching, sit tight. Wow, so I was so amazed at how this hair came out. It was very soft and flowy. I did in fact let it air dry overnight. It was a little damp, and this is the next day. Please forgive my outfit changes. I had, showered and got ready for the day, but pretty much this is when, before I installed it, I went in with my pressing comb and also my wax stick just to get the edges laid back so it'd be easy when I install. But it was pretty much easy, just like how when I first got this hair. Only thing that's different is that it's straight now, and I actually love it a lot. So I'm going to show you guys how I installed it. It was very quick install, nothing special. It actually was very easy, so please stay tuned for that. Okay guys, so this is pretty much the final look. Just gonna do some little adjustments to it, but this is pretty much how I'm gonna be wearing the hair, and it's still soft and pretty, just like how it was on the mannequin head. And towards the end, I'm going to be showing you some pictures and a little video of how it's looking, so don't go anywhere. We are finished, girl. That's it. Thank you guys so much. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. It was very interesting to see that a steamer could get your hair so silky straight. I'm amazed. This was awesome. All right, here we go. Final look. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like today's content, please go ahead and like this video and subscribe to my channel. Also, don't forget to hit that bell button because I am back every week. So yeah, thank you guys so much. Love ya. Bye.